So the deal is 15 guests per group, 9 days, and 3 Caribbean destinations.
So don't tell me. Jamaica is one of the prime destinations, right?
Yep. And that is why I sell Calder Tours as the local spot.
So there are other local hotels there?
Yeah, man. And everybody have to make a presentation about them place.
So what do you think your chances are?
Excellent. We give them a superb presentation. And everybody want to see the place.
Especially the farm village vibe that the place has, right?
That is the selling point. Hey, you saw if I start showing them the video and the picture of the place, and the presenter them start book the place.
That's great.
And I say, you saw when I see that? At that time them start talk.
And I know how you love to use your mouth already.
Nice.
To talk, Trevor.
Careful, you know.
You know I'm just joking, right? Trevor,
Yeah.
how would you feel about an investor helping you develop in the place?
Nice. You realize that development that happened on the place already?
Yeah, but...
By the way, why you ask me about investors? You in a real estate?
No, Trevor.
So, who you talk?
Mr. Esperanza came here to look for me.
Look for you?
I mean, to meet with me before I start the job.
And what him tell you say? Him want to invest in the place?
Well, yes.
Let me tell you this. I don't mean to sound disrespectful. But you say anything to do with that place, yeah? Leave it to me.
Okay, sir.
Me, not trust the brother there.
Mama ask you something. Do you know him?
Me not for know him. My spirit just not take him.
Well, that's your problem. He's a nice man.
Nice man. You not just meet him. How you don't know say him nice already?
It's personality, Trevor. That's what I am talking about.
You know something? Be careful, you know. That's all me I tell you.
You don't worry about me. I will be fine.
You hear what I said though? Try know where you get yourself in.
Excuse me? I am not one of your kids. And I will choose who I associate myself with. I don't need a lecture from you.
Okay, miss.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, miss. I say, I'm sorry for sound a little demanding, but you just know why you're rushing at something where you're not known about.
In case you haven't noticed, I've already taken the job and completed my first week.
But it not too late for you to take notice of what go on?
Trevor, I'ma ask you something. Is it that you know something about this man that you're not telling me?
No. I could change the subject. Because I don't really want to argue no more.
You're the one who started it.
And me are the one where I finish it. Yes. I'm sorry, man.
I heard you.
So why you play difficult?
You think this is difficult? Work is exciting. He made me test drive one of the new hearses that he got.
What?
Yes.
Hearse? Tell us something. Me not drive one of them there, you know.
It's not for everyone, Trevor. Some people were born for this.
You're right. Well, me happy I enjoy your job.
You mean that, Trevor?
Yeah, I mean it. And the truth is nice, eh? Life too short for you not do what you want to do.
Okay, Trevor. The other day, something strange and funny happened. A man called the funeral home thinking it was a hardware.
That not strange. Maybe him just mix up the numbers.
Well, maybe you're right. His voice sounded like a Englishman, and he said my voice sounded nice over the phone, and he can't believe I work with dead people.
Well, you have a nice phone voice for real.
You think so?
Yeah.
Never told me that before.
Well, may I tell you now? Yes, Camille?
Good evening, Mr. Sullivan. I'm on my way with your daughter.
With me who?
Yes. Are you tell me you want to spend a few hours with her today? I'm almost there.
Well,
Is well, if you're otherwise occupied, we can carry her back,
No. Carry her come, man. Carry her come.
Okay.
Nice, eh? Where you go?
I'm going on the road so you can have your family time.
Nice, eh?
Don't call me. Just go and go prepare for your family.
Hey, baby girl.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, daddy. Welcome to the run and jump and hug.
Please, Daddy. I'm too old for that.
Excuse me?
So, this is your test?
Yes, I'm the manager.
Oh, it's okay. Camesha, Mommy will be back in 2 hours, okay?
Okay, mommy.
So what? You never did go stay
For what exactly?
on a taxi carrier?
No.
How you do? Get a drive?
And why is that important to you?
I just want to know.
I'll be back for Camesha at 9 p.m.
A Dave carrier come not true.
9 p.m.
So, so we are going to live?
Trevor, why you try to force a conversation with me? And your daughter there here to spend time with you. Focus on that now.
Okay, miss. Camesha? Hey,
Hey, baby.
how is school?
School is good.
So, how are you doing in your extracurricular activities?
Great. I got 92 average.
92? Which subject?
In all subjects studied. That's why it's called average.
Oh! You know, Camesha, back in my day, you have to get like 70s, 80s, and 90s in a subject.
Okay. So when was that? The Stone Age?
Camesha, are you saying I'm old?
Well, you're not young.
Tell me, when did you get so bright?
I was always right.
You know, I can't keep up with you. Trust me. You know what? Let me show you around the place.
Alright.
Okay? You see, from time to time, you can come and visit. Oh. So tell me, is there anything you noticed about the rooms?
They're named from Caribbean islands.
Great! One more thing. You like it?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good.
Okay, Daddy?
I'm good, I'm good. Yeah. I'm feeling. I'm feeling. Come in, my daughter. Come in. Yeah. I'm feeling. Camesha,
Yes, I did.
I just want you to know that I really love you as my daughter. You know, and anything that you see happening between your mother and I, we both love you. But I worry your head about that.
Alright.
Okay?
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, and another thing, continue to show your mother and myself the respect that you have been showing. You're a wonderful young lady.
Thank you.
Okay?
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, and continue to do well in school. Nobody make no foolishness happen. You understand?
Yes, I did.
Right. Anyways, I'm gonna give you some cash. I want you to buy a gift for your mommy for Mother's Day.
Alright.
Don't tell her I gave you the money. Okay?
Yes, I do.
That's our little secret. Okay?
Yes, I do.
I love you.
Enjoy this song? Yes, Camille. Lovely.
Camille,
Wow.
thank you for taking her to me.
You're welcome. Ready, baby? Yes, Camille. Okay, let's go.
Hello? Carlton, what go on? Yeah, man, bless up yourself, man. Yeah, man, me there, you know. Yeah, man, the weekend was successful. Yeah, man. We just have wait to hear the people them say them are going to buy into the deal, you know. Yeah, man. Hey, when me give them, it's fabulous. So where you there? Off the island. Then as me come in, you gone. And what really I go down? There, man. What you said to me? You want me for give your iPhone nicey? And what you want me watch her? I want to know. Oh. You know something I mean to ask about that brother there? Yeah. Cause nice here tell me say him come at the Caldo tours come visit her. Yeah, I mean I tell you the truth. Me not trust that brother there now. Me just not like how him look. I tell you the truth.
Yeah, hello.
Good afternoon. Is this Mr. Tony Esperanza?
Yeah, who wants to know?
My name is Donovan. I'm calling you because I want to talk to you about a funeral package. And I was told that you're the person to speak to.
Yeah, hold on, brother. Alright. You can't call me from that number, yeah. Zine, I don't do business from the phone, yeah. Zine, so wheel up, come again, forward at the funeral home, and we have a talk. See?
I'm terribly sorry. I thought it was okay. Your secretary or somebody who works at the home gave me a number, but I'm terribly sorry.
Just forward and come talk to me.
Okay, you have a wonderful day now, sir.
Yeah. What's up? You and my brother they still in a dealings. Cause to do your talk, it coming like say something go down. What? Cause here what now? Let me give that news that straight. She make me know say him want in a partnership with Caldo Tours. I'm tell her something in that. Yeah. The place done a turnover, wait for turnover already. I don't need no partnership. deal with it and get back to you. Yeah. Anyway, when you're forward with talk, see? Yeah man, just go and deal with what you deal with. Bless up yourself. Star, where that girl that get herself involved with her father. Oh, so sometime in a man. But I'm just going to stick to all Camille, you know, because right now, when I can look on Camille and work out things with Camille certain way, that one you're confusing, brother. Because she just a move and not think. I'm warn her about it, you know. She better careful.
Right. Badu, what go on? Yo, you see the big shipment? Just hold off on it for a little while. See? Send a smaller one in a Carlton Wallace name. Me need a distraction. Something don't feel right. I feel like the feds them on to me. Couple of weeks ago, Sandy Cheeks show up at the funeral home, say she a jam Texan. Now, a British called me a while ago. Something alright. Yeah man, Carlton Wallace.